Hi, this is Anusha Ravi, franchisee for Global Art KK Nagar, Oru, and area head, rest of Tamil Nadu. First of all, my heartiest congratulations to all SIPians for completing a successful journey of 18 years with SIP Academy. My association with SIP started way back in the year 2006 as a franchisee for Global Art KK Nagar, Chennai. Being a new player like any other person, I was also apprehensive and tense about the success of GA business. Since I had only management and corporate experience and did not have any business exposure. But thanks to SIP Global Art team for the incredible guidance, support and motivation which gave me absolute confidence and freedom to run the business successfully till now, and I am extremely proud to share that I have completed 15 glorious years this May 2021. Then this gave me much more confidence to take up one more area in Chennai in 2011, Porur. Now I am having 9 centers under my leadership running in these two areas. The best part I love about SIP culture is that all the products that we run, or rather all programs, strongly focus on creating a significant impact in every child's mental potential, and at the end we also feel happy and satisfied adding value in every child's life through our programs. The success of any establishment largely depends the right leadership, and all VCPNs are extremely proud to have a dynamic leader, Mr. Dinesh Victor, who is a visionary by himself and sets the right path for his team. In my journey, I also got the right guidance and motivation in every single step of my journey, which gave me a lot of confidence to take up the area partner role for Global Art Rest of Tamil Nadu, and I'm managing 20 centers in Rest of Tamil Nadu now. SAP strongly believe in upgrading their employees and business partners through their exceptional training mechanism to face any business challenges. One such thing I would say is Dinesh's aggressive move on shifting all his business partners to online mode when the pandemic hit India in March 2020. If he had not pushed us to take up online classes, God only knows how we could have survived or sustained in this business so far. Thank you, Dinesh, for that. I also learned how to lead a team and grow business, and importance of being empathetic towards others, importance of being healthy and fit, benefit of reading good books, multitasking, data analysis, and many more skills. During my journey with SIP under the able leadership of Dinesh Victor. Apart from business, I like SIP emphasizing its employees, franchisees, and parents to get involved in all the CSR initiatives of the company. To name a few: Respect Girl Child, Saving the Payments, Save Tiger, Save Trees, Save Turtle, and importance of rainwater harvesting, and the recent COVID awareness campaign, which gives us a learning of how to be socially responsible. Overall, the SIP culture and vision strongly impacted both my business and personal life. With all these learnings, I am able to perform consistently, being the topmost titan of India and the Platinum Award winner for the best center across the world. My heartfelt thanks to SIP and Dinesh Victor for molding me to give my best. Thank you.